Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and I think this is still one of the best used cars you can buy, the E90 Series M3. So this is an E92. How do we know that? It's two doors. I had an E90, which is four doors. If you want the two-door hardtop convertible, that is an E93. Now this has some upgrades. If you want to track your E90 M3, you really need to upgrade the brakes, and this car already has it. You have StopTech brakes on BBS wheels. It looks like the car is lowered. They have a decent ride height from the factory, believe it or not. I had an 08 single hump, slick top, Interlagos blue. This looks to me like it's space gray. It has a nice aftermarket front splitter. You have the air intakes. Only one of these air intakes is functional. I believe it's this one. Yep. But this is one of the best cars. So on the E92, you can get a carbon fiber roof or a sunroof. Believe it or not, most of the ones that I see have sunroofs on them. And this is a DCT, 7-speed, but a 6-speed manual is also available. And this has the navigation, so this would be a double hump car. Single hump means no nav. And how do we know it's a real M3? Well, real M3 has dual exhaust, 4 exhaust ports, 2 on each side. And there's a lot of fake M badges. All right, guys, you get Glenn's Car Collection 7 days a week. Hit the notification bell, subscribe.